Hey guys, welcome to part 6 of the batch sheet maker. Let's get started. Alright, then we're going to create the sheet index, right, for Revit so that it knows what name to give it. And to do that, we're going to do view schedule. We're going to call it test sheet list. So view schedule dot create sheet list. Okay, and then we're going to need an element test sheet list element equal to test sheet list. We're going to do test sheet list element dot name is equal to whatever name you want to give it. So in this case, I'm going to name it my new sheet list. Okay. All right. Great. Okay. Now we're going to get all the schedulable fields, and to do that, this one's going to have a for loop in it, for each loop. Okay. All right. That's going to be I list of schedulable fields. Schedulable fields is equal to test sheet list dot definition dot get schedulable fields. Right, and then now we're going to do that for each loop. That's going to be for each schedulable field and stuff in schedulable fields. Oops. And here we're going to do if sf.getName doc dot toString is equal to sheet name and pipe. And then we're going to copy this line right here and paste it right here again, and a couple more times. And so this one's going to be named to sheet number. This one's going to be sheet order. This is going to be sheet suborder. And this is going to be discipline. Alright, so we're just grabbing our shared parameters, right, that we had in our text file, and then we're going to add them right here. And so to do that, let's see, over here, and it's going to be test sheet list dot definition dot add field and SF. Great. Okay, cool. All right, that's it for that. And then now we're going to initialize the file name, and that's going to be file name is equal to open dll.dg dot file name. All right, and now we're going to do our if check, and then almost done. Oops, skip those. Okay, and then so okay. It's going to be if file name dot ends with star dot, I'm sorry, no star, dot xlsx. Then we're going to do this, which is, and we're going to create accelerator. And then else Then we're going to do our .csv checker. Okay, once we do those, then we're done. Alright, that's going to be it for part 6. I'll see you in part 7.